Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Arteon R 2.0 TSI at a whopping 320 PS 4Motion is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen in a deep black pearl finish. This is the fastback version of the vehicle and that's just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. You have your 19-inch Adelaide black diamond turned alloy wheels which do complement the exterior finish well with the blue R calipers. You have your powerful new mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them. Great for places like shopping centres where it's traditionally a bit tight. And an electric tailgate, simply hold the button of the key and you can access the boot directly. Great if you have your hands filled with shopping, for example. It's a long boot space so you can fit stuff like golf clubs inside there with ease, and you also have additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and a sustainable amount of legroom in the back there for rear passengers' comfort. Function steering wheel gives access to the immersive dashboard display. We'll touch on this soon. You can see we have the R embroidery on the carbon leather Napa interior upholstery, and also a panoramic sunroof which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use, and on the dashboard display here you can see we can show key information like our driving data, navigation and lap timer. You have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. Over on the left hand side you also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout your everyday travels. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from. You can actually configure the driving modes directly through your steering wheel. 4 different driving modes offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Sport and Race offer a more performance-based experience, and as we do make our way into our individual settings, we can actually change our dynamic chassis control, which is our suspension, to offer a more comfortable and or stiffer drive depending on what you want from your driving experience. As we go into App Connect, we get access to the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our Mirror Link, allowing us to safely display our phone directly through the car so we can access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and even Google Maps or Waze navigation. The heated front seats provide an element of warmth and comfort with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. These are separately controlled so there's no arguments there, and a dual climate control which you can simply swipe your finger across to adjust the intensity of the blowers and separately control the temperature. You can synchronize it with the master switch on the driver's side as well. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.